Well, firstly, hi everyone. Thank you all for joining the Avni Community Meetup for September 2025. We will start. I think most of you have been attending this community meetup. So yeah, you know how the flow goes. So we will start with the ecosystem updates, and then Maha will take over with the product updates. In ecosystem, we are very happy to welcome Ecom Foundation. We are starting with the development of that project. Ecom works with government and corporate sector to say for programs like your reproductive, maternal, newborn and child program. They have been supporting communities across 12,000 plus villages, and they primarily work in Tamil Nadu. I'm not sure if anyone from Ecom has joined. Other than Ekam, we have Pune Clinic that went live in Gujarat Dang district last month in August. We have Simran from Pune Clinic. Simran, would you like to share something about the Pune Clinic project and your experience using the Avni platform?
Sorry, Anjali. Actually, I don't know. There was some network issue. I could not hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, was I audible?
Hello? No, actually, I lost you at Ecom Foundation. There
Okay,
was some
so I was
network
just
issue.
welcoming, I was just sharing that Pune Clinic has went live last month and wanted you
Yeah,
to
yeah,
just share experience and talk us a little bit about the project. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yes. Yes. We started the COPC project, community oriented primary care project in around 80 villages around Pune Clinic. And we focus on screening the population for chronic diseases like hypertension, stroke, and diabetes, etc. And another component of the project is Gram Vikas, which focuses on providing people with the benefits of government schemes and Aadhaar card, ration card. These are some essential things which people of Dang do not have, and hence they cannot access the benefits that are available to them. So for this, we established this project, and we wanted to conduct house-to-house survey in 80 villages, and we have around 40 workers who are currently conducting the survey. And Avni, of course, has been of huge help. And I have bothered Anjali with so many doubts and everything, and she has been really sweet and very helpful and prompt of course, in helping me with everything, every little issues that we've had or anything we need help with or to access anything. She's always been there and really, uh, really, it was really good teamwork by Avni. And workers have been using this app since a month now, and they have got very used to it and they are doing it really nicely now. So really thanks to Avni.
Thanks. Thank you, Simran. Thank you so much. Did anyone else, did Shamji join from Pune Clinic? No, no.
No, he could not join since it's OPD day, so and there's no network there. That's why he could not join.
Anyone has any questions related to Pune Clinic or the slides we went so far? Okay, then we'll move to product updates. Yeah. Maha, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Anjali. So these were the updates for last month. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Maha. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so these were the updates for last month. We had released around the 3 features. So this month, so what we have done is, you can move to the next slide, Anjali. Yeah. So one thing that we have done is I have categorized into as a newer format. I have categorized into 3 groups. One is what we have done for the, gaining new customers, what we have done to improve satisfaction of our existing customers, and what we have done basically to keep the production running smoothly, like the upgrades, performance improvement, etc. So to gain new customers, one thing that we did is we automated the sign up flow. Previously, when someone wants to try out Avni, they need to fill out a form and wait for someone in Avni to create an organization or create a login for them. But now we have automated that process. So once they fill out the form, they will automatically land in Avni with the login created for them. This was made automatic, and we are also working on few other things for new customers, like AI assist can be used by existing customers also. So the web app upgrades and the integration of analytics tool to understand what is causing issue, where users are getting stuck, etc., while configuring the Avni. So when it comes to existing customers, which is a part of deeper engagement, one thing that we recently released is we added the ability to easily analyze values of multi-select coded concept. So here, yeah, so I will show it in detail what it means in the next slide. And then we are also additionally, yeah, we can complete it, and then we can move to the next slide, Anjali. So we are also working on currently in the canned reports, which is out of box reports. We don't have the field worker name in the reports. Basically, who did the registration or who did the enrollment. So we are working on adding that as well, so that in cases where the payments to the field workers needs to be based on how many forms they filled, or basically when we want to know what is happening on the ground, if some field worker is stuck somewhere, etc., in that way it would help to know who did the entries. So it is development done, we are testing, and we will soon release it. Next is reducing app size without loss of functionality. So what was happening in Avni is that there was an issue where, because of which multiple so the same data was actually creating multiple entries in the backend. In the foreground, there was no issue. It was not, it will not be visible, but in the backend, some duplication of data, because of which it was increasing the app size. We resolved that thanks to JSS for funding this. And then support and we have been discussing that we will also release a feature of supporting videos and forms uh, to counsel the beneficiaries. So we are looking out to see if we can get sponsors for the same. I will share a form for the same by today in the community WhatsApp group. So whoever is interested in fully or partially sharing the cost can accordingly reply in the form. So the next part is production running smoothly. So here we have added some methods in the backend, so that some advanced rules as well can be written, so that it provides more flexibility to add custom logics in Avni. Yeah. So the next is related to upgrade. We also time to time do necessary upgrades to keep the app running. So that is currently parked because we have some time and we have many other things to work on. We will soon be picking it up. Uh, yeah. So any other questions? So any questions so far? Okay. We can move to the next slide, Anjali. Yeah. So let's say we have a form where so this thanks to, first of all, thanks to Saras Foundation for sponsoring the feature. So let's say so Saras Foundation itself have these questions. So they have this question where for beneficiaries they want to identify the scheme for which they are not eligible for, and they also want to identify the schemes for which they have already enrolled, and they also want to identify for which they are yet to enroll and they are eligible for. So they want a report basically that has a number of people who are eligible for each scheme and each scheme. So Anjali, can you click the easier configuration link on the right side? Yeah, you can play this. So currently, in order to identify it, what we can do is a simple configuration like this in Metabase. You can pass it, Anjali. You can pass the video. Yeah. Pass the video. No, on the left, there is a pause.
Pause the video then.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You can pause it. Yeah, you can pause it. Yeah. So here, if we see what was done is a simple configuration with a simple drag and drop clicks, we would be able to get this kind of a report, which shows the number of people who are not eligible, who have applied, and who are available without, so who have already availed the benefits. So previously, in order to do this amount of analysis, we were to write some complex SQL query. So this is available with a simple click. So it is because we have done some change in the way we data. What this means is basically when someone wants to analyze reports by themselves for this kind of multi-select concepts, where for a single concept there are multiple values, you can, as well, it's not necessary to depend on Avni. You can itself independently try it out. So that what it means. Yeah. And as well, right here you can also click through the numbers. You can now play it, Anjali. Yeah. So if you see, you can click numbers as well, and you would be able to see who are the individuals who are eligible, who fall into that category, as well as there is additional filters as well that you can apply. Say I want to see only that belongs to a particular village. So these are basically features provided by Metabase, but we have integrated Avni with Metabase in order to give those features to the partners. Yeah. So any questions on this? Okay. That's all I had. So Anjali, over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Maha. Anyone have any question? Anything you want to discuss? Okay. Okay, then thank you everyone. Thank you all for joining.